Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you step by step how I make Nutella roll-ups. It's very easy, very quick, and it tastes very good. So let's just get started. Just go ahead and take ever how many slices of bread that you want. Cut the crust off. And you can save those crusts. I freeze mine and I use those to put in stuffing and or whatever else I need it for. So after you get all of those cut off, you're going to roll them out flat. I have a mini roller that I really enjoy. So just roll those out flat. And they don't have to be perfect. You're going to roll them up. After you get that done, go ahead and take your Nutella and spread on each slice as much as you like. I have a skillet over there heating up on medium heat. And before I put these in, I'll put a little bit of butter. These are really tasty. And you don't have to put powdered sugar on these, which is what I'm going to do, but if you have chocolate syrup or whatever you like, or even without anything. So there I'm putting some butter in the pan that's already heated up, and I'll place these in there, and I'll let them brown. It only takes a minute. Just turn those as you go to get them brown all the way around. And I have a dish with some powdered sugar over there waiting. Then I'll place these in when they're done. Okay, those are done enough to suit me. I'll put those in a dish. And I'll sprinkle the powdered sugar over those, and then they're done. They're ready to eat. You can eat these warm, or you can let them cool completely, however you prefer it. Enjoy.